Hi, I'm Darren at Blackmagic Design, and we're here at ISE 2020. And right now, I want to take a look at the ATEM Mini. The ATEM Mini is a brand new entry-level live production switcher for Blackmagic Design. It's a 4 HDMI input switcher, so you can input from camcorders, laptops, or media players, and you have the ability to do some great things like live chroma keying, picture-in-picture. But then you can stream directly to the web. So we have a USB chip inside the ATEM Mini. It's a USB webcam chip. It allows us to stream directly to platforms like Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or specifically for the AV market, perhaps as conferencing applications via Skype or Zoom, for example. So this is a perfect entry-level switcher, 4 inputs, HDMI. Take all of your video sources in, do a live mix using the hardware control panel, and then stream to the web via USB. Lots of information on the ATEM Mini on the Blackmagic website, so if you need any more questions answering, head to blackmagicdesign.com.